This is a heavy-duty padlock. It can be used under the water, it can be used under -60, something like this. So to prove that, we will send the padlock to the stratosphere over the ozone layer to 30 kilometers over the Earth at most extreme conditions we can imagine, and then we will take it back to the Earth and we'll run chasing the padlock and show that it still works even having been on the -60.
Ground control. Padlock in the air and going up. Altitude 10,613 meters. Temperature -45.7 degrees. Altitude 15,842 meters, temperature -62.7 degrees. Globe will collapse in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We found it! We found it! So now Joaquin is gonna try to open it. See if it works. Yeah, it did work. There it is. No, it works. Amazing. Great.